Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of December the 31st to Jan 6th. First thing we're going to talk about right off the bat is two different boosters. This one for vitamins, and then there's just a general basket booster. And those two should probably stack. One's valid till the 14th, one's valid until the 7th. And they're both of a one-time use. So we're definitely going to create a $35 basket for vitamins and supplements, probably as a curbside pickup, and make these two boosters work together. $14 back on $35 is nothing to sneeze at. And also, this is kind of funny. We have a new month over there and they're already dusting off Easter. What a nice typographical error. I mean, Easter in January, that's almost laughable, but I just wanted to point that out. I thought that was funny. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, December the 31st. This is a new month over at Walgreens, so we're going to have new monthly deals to present for you guys. And I will be out shopping on Sunday. I know I took a little bit of a week off. It's a really long story. Wasn't feeling so hot, but I am feeling a lot better. So I took a week off, just a responsible thing to do. And with that being said, let's start talking about these deals. A friend of mine sent over these pictures. She shot them, I believe, on Thursday. Walgreens, a lot of the stuffed toys, 60% off. So if this is your thing, keep an eye out. And a lot of the gift sets and stuff, 50% off. And as discussed in the video I made earlier in the week with the different drops, I think the first or second week we're going to see 70 and then 80 as we creep into January. And if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a great deal to me. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today to save even more money over at Walgreens. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is just this general page of deals of the week. We have 3 for $7.49 on the Arm & Hammer, not a bad deal. Buy one, get two for free on the Complete Home, sandwich bags, food storage bags, and so on and so forth. BOGO free on the Fruit Loops, the cereals, and I believe Pop-Tarts is always part of that. And the Bounty Essentials, $5.49, buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. We're going to have to see how the coupons pop up for these different products, and 3 for $13.99 on Pepsi. First little deal we're going to look at is this on the Tide, Downy, Bounce laundry care products. $1.50 coupons. Typically when that pops up, it's for the pods and the liquid. Throwing in also one of these PERSILs for $5.99. Let's do a $25 basket for all this laundry magic. So we're going to need this guy loaded to your store account, 7 back when you spend $25. If you have a paper booster to go with, it's even better deal. So grabbing a mix of 4 of the different Tide products, and usually when the $1.50 show up, there's a $1.50 for the liquid, the pods, and then the dryer sheets, and then fabric softener. So I'm guessing for $5, but I might be wrong, so we're going to have to double, triple check those coupons on Sunday morning. So $21.96 and $5.99 for the PERSIL, that's $27.95. Have your booster loaded, which is 7 back when you spend $25. I'm estimating $5 of digital coupons. Utilize that, pay $22.95 with your debit card, and then get back $7 in Walgreens cash for your booster, and then $7 back in register rewards, 5 for the detergent, and then 2 for the PERSIL, making it $8.95 for the 5 products, or $1.79 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using that booster, but $1.79 for these laundry care products is a very good deal. We're looking at the Pantene for $5, 3 off 3 digital coupons starting on Sunday. So we're going to grab 3 of the cheaper shampoos for $5 a pop, so that's $15. Subtracting that 3 off 3 digital, you're going to pay $12. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $7 for the 3, or $2.33 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this with no booster. So we have another deal with the Gillette and Venus. We're going to be looking for the cheaper razors. I think there's going to be a $3 digital coupon for each. So grabbing both, that would be $20 on the nose. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons. Got to ensure that they attach on Sunday. Pay $14, get back a $6 register reward, making it $8 for the 2, or $4 per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with a no booster. Obviously, it was a lot better when it was a 10 back when you buy 2 or an 8 back when you buy 2, but maybe we could work this one into a deal. At the very least, load those $3 digitals. We can use them later in the month. And then we have the $5 Colgate Dental Care, $4 reward when you buy 2, and we're going to have a 5 off 2 digital starting on Sunday. So grabbing 2 of these Colgate products at $10, subtracting that digital, you'll pay 5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Oh, this is an interesting one. The Dial body wash. We used to get this for free all the time, and it's been like gone. So if you really need Dial, here's a deal. Grab 2 of the cheaper ones for $5 a pop. So that's 10. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it 6 for the 2 or $3 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, just to get that register reward. I know that there's one called Gold, and if you're ever going in for surgery, you need that specific one. So if you are in desperate need of Dial, or if this is your favorite body wash, by all means, $3 is better than full price to stock up on this. And Angel Soft, $6.99 coupon that we have for this, and then a $3 reward when you buy 2 of them. So grabbing 2 of these for $13.98, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $12.98, get back one $3 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2. It's still very expensive. I know that IBOTTA has different rebates for Angel Soft. Double, triple check if some of those are attaching. It's the only way I could see this becoming a deal. If you want to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster, absolutely go for it. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is 4 for $10 on the second tier P&G laundry care products. So, using $10 in Walgreens cash, not a bad thing. It's $2.50 per product. Might be digital coupons to go with on Sunday. We'll have to double, triple check what is provided, but possibly a deal. And a buy one, get 2 for free. Typically, it's $2.79 for the first complete home food storage bag. So it shakes it out to 93 cents per unit of 20 counts of these bags. Very comparable to Ziploc, in my humble opinion. And the different, cold flu medications, there's a $5 store reward when you buy 2. So if you need to stock up to save the most amount of money, go to Walgreens to buy these products. And the Lindsay olives are buy one, get one free. And the Cheez-Its are 3 for $5. So it drops that down to $1.66 per box of crackers. That's a really good stock up price, guys. And the Oscar Mayer bacon is 2 for $10. That's a very good price point. They're pound bags of the bacon. And the Pearl Milling Company a pancake mix, 2 for $5 or $2.50. The syrup is also included. So if you're going to have a really nice New Year's Day pancake breakfast, go to Walgreens to get all of your supplies. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.